How to make an NFT collection using Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can get started with Canva to create your NFT collection. So let's get into it. Now we're going to be creating an entire collection, not just one individual NFT. So let's not waste any time, and you're going to go on ahead to canva.com. If you don't have an account already, you just have to sign up via your email address to get started with Canva. Now, once you have created your account on Canva, you're just going to click on custom size over here on the top right. You're going to change it from pixels to inches, and then you're going to add the size of your canvas. So the smaller the size, the lower resolution your NFT will be. The larger the size, the larger resolution your NFT will be. But obviously with the larger size, you will also have to inculcate a bunch of different elements. So a size that I usually like to go for is around 12 by 12 inches. It's not too big, but it's not too small, so it isn't too difficult to design, and it still yields a good quality NFT. Now, once you have done that, we're going to begin designing and creating our collection. So if we go on to OpenSea, now, if we just go on to OpenSea over here, we click on Explore, and we're going to take a look at some of these collections. So, Pudgy Penguin. So, this collection is composed of multiple different penguins, and these are just, it's like the same kind of penguin in different outfits. And you have this, you have just like a base penguin, and then it's just multiple different outfits on it, or facial expressions. So, in this way, we're going to be designing a similar collection. So, you're going to go on ahead to canva.com to your canvas, and I'm going to change the color of my canvas first off. I'm going to give it a light blue color over here, like this one. And now once I've given a background color, I'm going to click on the element section on the left of my screen over here. Once I click on the element section over here, I'm going to search for the animal that I want to use. So let's say I'm going to go with cat. Now I'm just going to type in cat, and I'm going to go into the graphic section over here. And once I go into the graphic section, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the face of a cat, something like this, or something a little similar to this illustration over here. And once you click on an illustration, you can get similar ones as well. So you can go on ahead and choose a different illustration, like this frog is super cute, so you can choose that as well. I don't think I'm going to go with, this is just another tip that you can keep in mind whenever you are creating your collection. So we have other illustrations like this over here, and you have so many different options to pick from. So just go on ahead, spend some time in browsing the element space, and just take a look at the different illustrations you have. I think I'm going to continue with this face over here. And you can see once I click on this illustration over here, I even have the colors, and I can customize the colors as well. So I can go on ahead, make the darker bits a bit more darker. I can create, a different color for my cat, and you can do that as well. And I'm just going to go and revert this back to the original color. But once you have the base face, you're just going to click on the top right over here and click on duplicate page. So now once you have duplicated the page, we're going to add the body of the cat. So we're going to search for pilot. And you can see this pilot illustration over here. I'm just going to expand this, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a right click on this illustration and click on send backward. And now I'm just going to use this cat head as the head for the pilot. You can choose to resize your cat head. I usually would recommend that you go on ahead and leave it at a standard. And once you have done that, you can go on ahead and click on your top again once more, and then you can even create multiple different backgrounds. So first off, I'm going to add a bunch of different bodies, and then I'm going to customize the background later on. So I'm going to go back to my first page, click on duplicate page, and you can see once I clicked on pilot, I have recommendations as well. So I'm going to click on see recommendations, and now you can see you have multiple other different professions as well. So I'm going to use some of these other professions, like this one over here, and then I'm just going to expand this, and I'm going to click on send backward, and I'm just going to be using this once more, like so. And then you can even search for hats, like you can go into the element section, search for pilot hat. And now you can take a look at the different illustrations, click on graphics over here, and just take one of these hats over here. You can change the color of the hat to fit the overall color. So we're going to change the color like so. And now you can see we have our second NFT ready. Now you can go on ahead and click on duplicate page on your top one. And now let's search for doctor. And now we're going to go on ahead and take this illustration over here. We're going to expand our illustration, click on send to back. And now we're just going to customize this like so. And now we have another illustration, and then we're going to go back into duplicate page, and we're going to click on over here, and we can go on ahead and add anything else. So you can say construction. So we're going to search for construction worker. We're going to click on graphics over here, and we're just going to take this illustration, and now we're going to click on send backward like so. And you can even tilt the head to make it better fit the posture of the person that you've added, and then you can add more as you go. Now we have a couple of different ones over here, so I'm going to begin customizing the backgrounds. Now you can choose to give them all like a sparkly background or a similar kind of background for all of your NFTs, but if you want to customize it even further and give it a even better look, this is not a necessary step, but you can go on ahead, add some more decor items, add some borders, or add a different background for each individual NFT. So you can see the first one over here, we have our construction worker. So I'm going to go on ahead and search for construction. And now you're going to go into your photos section. And you can see you have some construction photos over here. So you can actually go on ahead and add a photo in the background. You're going to load the photo, click on send to back. And now you can just place the photo in the background like so. And this will help you even customize this further. You can add animated images. You can also choose to add real life images, or you can just even add some graphics to decorate the image as well. Like for example, you can add a graphic like this one. Expand this, click on send to back. And now we're going to add this at the back like so. Expand it. We're going to just rotate it a bit like this. And then you can go on ahead in the doctor, you're just going to search for hospital. And once you do that, you can, instead of taking like a real image, you can just go on ahead and take some of the animations over here. So we're just going to go on ahead and take a illustration. So you can just take a simple illustration like this one, click on send to back, expand your illustration like so, and just fit this in the center. And I'm going to change the color for this one because it is matching with the background, but you can choose to change the background color as well. So let's say I want to change the background color. I'm just going to select that and then change it to a different color like this. And then you can scroll down. Now we're just going to search for airfield. So we're going to search for an airport or a airfield, and now we can just take an illustration like this one, expand it, click on send to back, and then add that over here like this. And you can go on ahead and add as many illustrations or as many decor items as you like. And once you have added all of these, you can just go on ahead and keep on designing with the base illustration. And once you have finished designing, you can just click on delete page, and now you can have your entire NFT collection ready. So once you have designed it, you're going to click on share, you're going to click on download, and download all of your NFTs as a PNG, and they are ready to be uploaded on your NFT marketplace like OpenSea or any other NFT marketplace. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.